Hey friends, welcome back to World Drum Club. I'm Kalani, your host and teacher, and I want to say thank you for making World Drum Club, a great place to come and learn about world percussion. I know you're all about the music. You want to learn. You're serious. I'm a serious teacher, and I know, there's comments. Hey, who let Howie Mandel on the bongos? Or, ooh, it's Ben Kingsley. That's cool. I'll take it as a compliment. But I know the important thing is the music. That's why you're here. Even if you're not a patron of the channel and eligible to win free giveaway stuff every month for very little money to support the channel that you love, presumably. Even if you just subscribe right now, hit the like button right now, hit the bell right now, and just show up on the channel. That's cool because I know what you care about most is drumming and music and percussion, as do I. So I want to say thank you, for that. And I'll see you guys in a future lesson. All right. Hit the subscribe. Did you hit it? Or now hit the like button and the bell, and I'll see you guys later. Might have to go with this look for a little while. Yeah. You feeling clean? I should go to the store like this. Hey, it's Mr. Clean. I saw Mr. Clean at the store.